My name is Sam Patel, and I'm the owner and pharmacist of Bimsul Medical Pharmacy and Lincoln Medical Pharmacy, located in the Bimsul Medical Center and Lincoln Medical Center.
Hi, my name is Yuri, and I'm the pharmacist manager here at Lincoln Medical Pharmacy.
We are an independent community pharmacy business serving the Lincoln community for all their healthcare needs for over 30 years. And we believe strongly in shopping local.
So I enjoy working here at Lincoln Medical Pharmacy because we have an environment where we treat everybody, staff, clientele, even people who are just visiting town as family.
Our history goes back to 1989, where Bimsul Medical Pharmacy first opened its doors in the Bimsul Medical Center. My wife and business partner Nita took over in 1996 and grew the business fivefold within the first 10 years. I was managing other pharmacies before joining Bimsul Medical Pharmacy in 2005 and opened our second location on Ontario Street in 2008. To succeed in our field, we strive to consistently deliver an exceptional level of healthcare service beyond our customers' expectations, and this can only be achieved by having an amazing team. Our pharmacy's main focus is to provide exceptional customer service, patient-centered healthcare, medication advice, and stocking everyday and specialty pharmacy products. We value giving back to the local area and proudly support what matters in our community because our community matters to us. We support the Grimsby Hospital, Canadian Red Cross, the Canadian Cancer Society, the local Rose Cottage Community Hospice, Community Living, and many sports teams. We are very proud of having an amazing team that goes above and beyond our customers' expectations, and a loyal customer base who value and trust our input for the best health outcomes. Our future plans include point-of-care testing and pharmacogenomics testing, which shows how genes affect a person's response to drugs. We have been linked to the Lincoln community since 1996. We are extremely grateful to have customers who trusted us to look after their healthcare needs for over 25 years. We know and value these customers, and they are like family. They know they can rely on us to go above and beyond for them. And we look forward to looking after their needs for many more decades to come.